Hello Pinnacle users, Steve Tapner here. The Work Order Manager in Pinnacle is a feature you can enable that is very useful for filling orders, for seeing all the parts that are on open work orders and organising to get those parts picked or pulled and ready for the customer. When you set up Work Order Manager initially, the basic default is that it has just one department called Pick Parts. All the parts appear in this screen then, and any part that needs to be made ready can either be assigned to a user, or more simply, when the part is ready, the status of that part can be updated, and this shows that part has been picked, and it will disappear off the Work Order Manager screen. So simple process for seeing parts where work needs to be done and subsequently marking that work as done, and it's reported in a report called the B11 report. If you want to then build on that, you can create multiple departments within your Work Order Manager, and parts can be moved from one department to another as different people take different steps in the process. So somebody might get the part off the car in the yard or from the warehouse. Somebody else, it might be their job to pack and wrap and dispatch that part. You would have a department called Dispatch. Two people handle that part, and that work can be seen on these screens and reflected in the reports. The third step, or the third option with the Work Order Manager, is that you can create what's called department mapping. So I'll just show you on another screen here what this, well, doesn't really show you what this is about, but I can give you an idea that you pick a part type and its status, and you assign it to a specific department, so that every time a part of that type, that status, is added into a work order, it will appear with a department already allocated to it in the Work Order Manager, and various users who use the Work Order Manager can filter their screen only to see the work that's relevant to them, because they're the person who gets the parts from the car in the yard, or they're the person who packs and wraps a part once it's available. So the screens can be filtered. Different people will do different work, getting parts ready, marking those parts as processed once the part is ready for the customer, and then the part disappears out of the Work Order Manager screen. The Work Order Manager screen is a production screen. Everything that you see there should represent work that's to be done. There's much more to that, quite a lot to be done to introduce that into your system, but that's just an idea of what you can do. If you've got any questions, please give me a call. Thank you.